How do developers balance gameplay difficulty? Understanding player skill levels. Developers balance gameplay difficulty by considering the range of player skill levels. By offering multiple difficulty settings, such as easy, medium, and hard, they cater to both novice and experienced players, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the game at their own pace. Gradual difficulty progression. Most games use a gradual difficulty curve to ease players into challenges. Early stages of the game are designed to be simple, allowing players to learn basic mechanics. As the game progresses, challenges increase in complexity, ensuring a steady progression that feels rewarding but not overwhelming. Adaptive difficulty systems. Some games feature adaptive difficulty systems that adjust based on player performance. If a player is struggling, the game may reduce its difficulty slightly. Conversely, if a player is breezing through, the difficulty might increase, providing a tailored challenge to keep the experience engaging. Player feedback and testing. Developers often rely on feedback from playtests to find the right balance of difficulty. By observing how players interact with the game and where they struggle, developers can fine-tune levels, puzzles, and enemies to ensure that difficulty spikes are fair and not frustrating. Game mechanics and control precision. The ease with which players can control in-game actions plays a significant role in difficulty balance. Developers ensure that controls are responsive and intuitive, allowing players to focus on strategy and problem-solving, rather than grappling with imprecise mechanics that could add unnecessary difficulty. Rewarding progression and mastery. A key aspect of balancing difficulty is rewarding players for overcoming challenges. When players succeed after facing tough obstacles, the sense of accomplishment is amplified, motivating them to keep progressing. Balancing reward systems helps maintain player satisfaction without feeling too easy or too punishing. Limited resources and survival elements. In survival or resource management games, developers introduce difficulty by limiting resources, such as health, ammo, or time. This creates a sense of urgency and forces players to think strategically, but developers must carefully calibrate resource scarcity to avoid making the game feel unfair. Pacing and breaks in intensity. A well-balanced game features pacing that alternates between intense challenges and quieter moments. By incorporating moments of rest or exploration between difficult levels or boss fights, developers prevent players from feeling fatigued or overwhelmed, maintaining engagement throughout the game. Difficulty versus frustration levels. Developers work to ensure that challenges are difficult but not frustrating. While tough battles or puzzles can be exciting, excessive difficulty or unfair mechanics can lead to frustration. Developers carefully test and adjust difficulty levels to ensure they provide a fair challenge without crossing into frustration. Replayability and multiple difficulty options. Offering replayability through various difficulty modes encourages players to return to the game and enjoy a different experience. Some players may enjoy the challenge of beating a game on the hardest difficulty, while others prefer a more relaxed experience, ensuring that the game remains accessible to a wide audience.